Have you ever wondered how to turn data into insights? Power BI is here to help. Power BI is a business analytics service by Microsoft that provides interactive visualizations and business intelligence capabilities with an interface simple enough for end users to create their own reports and dashboards. With Power BI, create interactive visualizations effortlessly. Power BI transforms raw data into actionable insights through interactive visualizations and business intelligence. You can make your business reports in minutes without any hassle. Easily craft your own reports. Build dashboards that light up your data. Seamlessly connect to various data sources. Utilize drag and drop functionality. Enjoy powerful analytics without coding. Customize visualizations to suit your needs. Share insights and collaborate with ease. Empower your entire team with data. Transform raw data into actionable insights. Analyze data in real time. For more such content, video, and class notes, contact us and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Swap and Supply Chain Mentor.